What's up everybody, if you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow It, and you're watching my extras channel. Here I have the HLG 100V2 LED grow light. This is a 3000K color temperature. This unit has LM301B diodes, and I'm going to be doing a PAR test today. For this test, I'm going to use the Apogee MQ500 PAR meter. This meter measures a certain range. It measures from 389 nanometers to 692 nanometers, plus or minus 5 nanometers. Measurements are in ppfd, and this is just going to give you a general idea of what the PAR output is for this grow light. It's not meant to be a 100% accurate test. It's in a grow tent, so the reflective walls could throw things off a bit, and I have the grow tent open, so one side isn't even getting the reflective walls. But again, this is just for to give you guys a general idea of what the PAR measurements are. This grow light has a flowering coverage area of 2 foot by 2 foot, and this grow tent is a 2 foot by 4 foot, so I'm going to keep the PAR meter on one side of the tent. I'm going to do 3 different distances: 12 inches away, 18 inches away, and then 24 inches away. Just like all the other PAR videos, I will let the measurements do the talking. What do you think of these measurements? Let me know in the comment section below. I still have 4, potentially 5 more PAR test videos coming at you. Those will be released in the upcoming weeks. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please click that thumbs up, and I will leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.